What's up guys, this is Geoffrey once again and welcome to my channel. Today we will do another unboxing, but this time guys, mga to, laptop naman po ang ating unbox. So ang laptop na yan ay Asus TUF Gaming. Ayan siya guys. So ayun, wala na po guys pa intro, wala na pong paligoy-ligoy pa. We will do the unboxing. Let's go. Guys, so ito na yung box. Unbox na natin yung kung ano laman ng box ng laptop na to. Laptop. Ayan. Ito po siya guys. Ayan siya. So ito yung body. Yung design. Ito yung likod niya. So tabi muna natin. Meron siyang manual para mag-add po kayo ng any internal SSD. Ang napakalaking power adapter is 120 watts. So yan po yung laman ng kanyang box. Okay. Okay guys, what I have now is a stealth black color. It's a certified military grade, certified toughness. Sa likod po niya meron siyang dalawang air ventilation para sa cooling system niya po yan. So sa side naman po makikita niyo ang kanyang power DC input, yung kanyang RJ45 LAN port, HDMI, isang USB port 2.0, dalawang 3.0 USB port, and the combo jack audio. So yan po kanyang side, and meron siyang Kensington lock at saka yung kanyang speaker. So dalawa po yung speaker niya, both sides, mga tol. This is the stealth black color, certified military durability test. So napakatibay po yun ng kanyang pagkagawa. So outside at saka yung sa loob nyo pakatibay po mga guys. Now we will try to turn on. Install na po dyan sa loob ng Armory Crate na software, so you can change the backlit settings sa keyboard. So depende po yan sa desired nyo kung anong kulay at amount ng backlit na gusto nyo. If you want to save the battery, you can adjust the brightness by pressing the FN, up arrow key and down arrow key. Now we will try to open the laptop guys. Another air ventilation sa ilalim po ng laptop. And also you can upgrade the laptop storage. There is an extra slot for SSD, and this is your DDR4 modules that can be upgradable up to 32 GB. Okay, and at the side guys, this is your 512 GB, the PCIe SSD. At sa baba po niya is yung kanyang battery, which is 48 watts. And then sa bandang taas, yung kanyang cooling system, yung cooling fan with the heat pipes for CPU and GPU, and the air ventilation. Alright guys, so this laptop is actually designed for gaming, powered by GTX 1050, 3GB of RAM. So let us try guys how this game's running on. Alright guys, this laptop also powered by AMD Ryzen 5 3550H quad-core processor, plus the fact it has GTX 1050 3GB that is good for designing and rendering. Ayan mga tol, so pag sa price naman po ang pinag-usapan sa Pilipinas po, it's actually around 44,000. Ayan guys, so comment lang po guys kung anong masasabi nyo sa laptop na ito. Just comment down below if you love this video. Kung may nakuha kayong, may natutunan kayo guys, hit nyo lang yung like, subscribe na rin po, at hit the notification bell para sa susunod na video, updated kayo lagi. So yan po, that's it for today. So this is Asus TUF gaming laptop. See you next time.